Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I have not been posting lately. I know it's been more than an year that I have posted any video. I have been collecting content for all of you but somehow didn't get time to post or just edit a video to post. But I'm very thankful to all my friends who have been chasing me for this video so that I could come back to the YouTube now, and I have, as promised, here is this video which I promised. They have been asking me to make a video with all the list of perfumes I would recommend and have tried and tested, both for women as well as men. And here I am with this video, so no more complaints when we meet. Okay, you're gonna get this video soon. So guys, we all face this situation where we want to buy a very nice perfume for ourselves or maybe gifting someone, and we want them to have that beautiful fragrance, and we struggle because there are so many brands and in each brand there are different options available. So in this video you will learn all perfume details, tips and tricks, and which ones to invest your money in. So watch till the end and you will be equipped with all the information related to perfumes. So to begin with, the first thing which I wanted to cover is that not all luxury and designer brand perfume are long lasting. So you have to be very careful. It's not like you are investing that sort of money and thinking that they will be long lasting. You might like the fragrances are amazing, however they might not be that long lasting for which you're paying such a big amount. So just remember this, because I have experimented and I have found this through my experience. Second thing which I wanted to cover is that whenever you decide to buy a fragrance, I would recommend that you try them either on your skin or on your cloth or on that paper, tester paper which they give, and just keep it with you and just keep smelling it for 1 or 2 days to see the longevity. Also, every perfume has got top notes, heart notes, base notes. I'm not going into technical details. Let's leave that. This video is more for general public. I don't want to go into those things, but just remember that when you first spray it will be top notes which you will smell. After some time it will go into the heart notes, and later what remains is the base notes. So you must like all of these notes to like a perfume. So just remember that. Apart from that, my recommendation, you might have heard, whenever you buy a perfume there are EDP, EDT. So EDT are usually cheaper. So what's the difference? Just nothing technical, very simple. EDP is eau de parfum, so it has got more concentration of the perfume oil, and EDT is eau de toilette, which has got lesser. It's more of cologne, more than deo but less than perfume is EDT. And usually EDT comes into men perfume. Women perfume tends to make the EDP. So yeah, I think let's jump into the video, and these are my recommendations, and I have ranked them into 5, but 1 to 5, however I have covered multiple options. So let's jump in. Okay, so let's start. So starting with the number 5, which I have only one of them, which is Muggle Alien, or you can have Alien Goddess. Even that is nice. That's some enhanced version of Muggle Alien. And either you could go for Gucci Guilty. I've got most compliments in my life for this one, Gucci Guilty, especially in India. Just love the perfume. Love. It's not that long lasting like other perfumes, but it is amazing. So yeah, and apart from that, you can also go for Guerlain, Mon Guerlain. That is also very nice. So all these options for number 5. Moving on to number 4, all-time blast kind of perfume, which is Paco Rabanne Lady Million. You might have seen that. It's a very common perfume, I know that, but it's really beautiful perfume. So you can consider that one. On the number 3rd, which I am recommending more of night perfumes, dinner date perfumes or clubbing perfume, it is this one, which is Good Girl, Carolina Herrera Good Girl. It's so nice for the night. I mean, it's amazing. It shows a strong women kind of personality, this one. And there is also one more, which is YSL. You pronounce Yves Saint Laurent. So that one you can get Black Opium. So that one is also very nice for night perfumes. Moving on to number 2, and that is one of my top favorite. It is Lancôme La Vie Belle. Amazing perfume. I mean, very sweet, and you know, you can wear it like all day and you will be smelling with this. It's amazing. And along with this, I would also say you can go for Dior J'adore, which is more of a sweetie kind of perfume, not very strong. And Dior Miss Dior, which is more of rose, if you want to just smell like you are a bouquet of roses or something, then yeah, I would recommend Miss Dior. Very expensive. I think it is £130 for 100 ml, but if you buy in duty free, it is £100. So one more tip in between which I can recall is that I usually buy my perfumes either if there is off on John Lewis for 20% or Sephora, or either duty free is my best friend, because definitely duty free has got very good percentage. So I usually buy it, like I have not spent more than £100 on a perfume, even though it's 130 or 120. And my top favorite number 1 perfume is Chanel Coco Mademoiselle, this one, and it is amazing. It's so long lasting. If you spray it on your clothes until you wash it, it will keep coming for days and days. It's so amazing. And I can tell you that it's number 1 because you can find it everywhere as well. It's number 1. And if you see, I have an empty bottle as well. So this is my second bottle, and it lasts long for me for a very long time. And apart from that, people who like strong one, you have a unisex perfume by Tom Ford, which is Tom Ford Black Orchid. It's on my list, so I'm gonna buy that one as well. It's really strong one, a very woody. I do have Tom Ford Velvet Orchid, but this is also very nice, like girly perfume, but not that strong as Black Orchid. Black Orchid is amazing. So yeah, these are the perfumes which I would recommend, the designer brands I would recommend for women. And I do have you know, cheaper options also, because I wear perfume every day. You know, I have found some cheaper options also, so, and which are long lasting as well, and which are nice smelling as well. So let me know in comment section if you want me to make that video. And the perfume list for men will be coming into my next video, because I have a friend who has bought my recommendations, so I would like to borrow those bottles from him for a day and then shoot the video. So I'll definitely make the video for men as well. And just on you know, different note, if you really like to, you know, smell all the time very nice, you know, then you have to spray your perfume on particular points. So I hope you know that you need to do it on your wrist, you need to do on your collarbone or maybe behind the ears, or sometimes just if you're going in a party, spray it on your hairbrush, and then brush your hair. Don't directly put it on the hair because it's got alcohol, it will damage your hair, so don't do that. But yeah, that's a nice way of smelling like all the time. And you might have seen when you meet Arabic people, they smell very nice as well because they use something called attar, which is more concentrated perfume. It doesn't have alcohol. So I've got that one from Dubai as well. So this is one of them, and I don't remember its name. It was gifted. Actually, all my friends know I love perfume, so most of these are gifted, which are on my list, and some I buy. And this, so you can also use attar because it's like you just put a little on your, and you're gonna smell all the time. Very nice. And they've got very nice bottles. So from, if you go to Dubai airport, you can definitely grab any of these attar as well, else you have some other options. So yeah, just try and let me know if there is something which I should try, because obviously I have tried a lot of brands, but sometimes some people explore some very nice ones and which I haven't come across. So please do recommend the ones which you think I should try. I'm a big fan of perfumes and my collection keeps on going. Yeah. And again, apologies, I've not been around, but I'm back now. Please do share, like and subscribe, and also forward it to your friends and family who would like to have perfumes. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Oh, so sorry, I forgot one thing, and that is this one. So to all the girls who want to always smell nice, this is your savior. I don't know where to get, but again, this was gifted, but this is like a small perfume you can carry, and what you can do is you can fill in using this point through your favorite perfume bottle. Just press this and this gets filled, and just put it like this, and you can carry it in your purse, and you always have your perfume. So just go to party and then spray. So I just forgot this. I thought I should include that in the video. Okay, thank you. Bye.